realizing that I can't live alone. I need someone to be with me.
Bills or donate? Oh my god, Triven, stop!
We're at IKEA right now and I'm gonna try and find the supplies that I need. We definitely need this. Alright. Are you getting the right one? You got.
You want this one, right? Yeah, that's nice one.
Nice. Touch. Cheers, cheers. Cheers to the camera. He's buying me all these things as my birthday present. Oh my god. So we're driving back to the house now. Welcome to my haul. So we bought cups. Help order dinner for us, and guess what she ordered? The picture looks so good. These are tacos, and yep, for the two of us, I don't think this is enough. You didn't do it properly. I'm sorry, but why are there so many different eggs? Why do we need so many options, Josh? Different chickens. I'm just gonna pick the one that looks the most normal. So every time you buy at Shop, you get a lucky draw. So let's hope I win. Let's hope we win, Josh. What number are you gonna put? It's not a number. They just pick from the receipt in the lucky draw box. So we are taking out the groceries. There's so much stuff. Like, well, say hi. Hi. So we got everything. No, there's still a lot of stuff in the car. I mean, yeah. See, everything we can. Oh my gosh. So there was too much stuff. Now we need to go for a second round. Okay, wait, it's not haul time yet. I brought some stuff from home. So I got this previously from the Liho sponsorship, and like I will make pretty cocktails with this. So cute. Tay. So pretty guys. Oh yeah, this I can use that as a rice cooker. But that's like you can do mini hot pot. For sure. Of course we need a wine opener. And I'm gonna make herbal chicken soup. Faster jingle bell, faster jingle bell, faster jingle bell. We do the unboxing.
Yeah, let's go bathe.
Yeah, let me shower first.
Let's take a shower.
I'm planning to make a whole new batch of kimchi, but I want to make kimchi stew before that, so I'm just gonna buy like the packaged one. And the hot dog thing obviously. And pre-chopped garlic. This goes in the freezer.
That was so fantastic.
Okay, haul time!
Actually, no. Oh, this is not well.
Oh my god, I just cleaned it. get glass.
I'm actually really so excited right now because I'm planning to get a cat. I know it's a huge commitment and I'm looking for a kitten. But like most of them, like we have to wait like 1 or 2 months before like we're able to rehome it. So I think that's enough time to settle down and then get a companion. Realizing that I can't live alone, I need someone to be with me, and I feel like a furry friend would be the best choice. I already found like 2 cats that I am interested in, and I just wanted to see like whether our personalities would click and stuff like with both of these cats. Hopefully I will click with them and then I can just bring them home. Right now I'm going to unbox. Let me try to find a space to do the unboxing. Give me a moment. No matter how much I clean this place, there's always gonna be dust. And look at my legs, they're like from they just always appear out of nowhere. I shouldn't have bought some of these items because my mom has extra at home. Oh well, this is a sponsored item. Oh, the dustbins. I bought dustbins. Mommy's gonna kill me. Yes, I bought dustbins.
Oh, you can sell them online later. Dustbins used by Silvy.
How much should I sell it for?
$30.
Yep, it's right. You just leave it like that for now. Oh my god. Okay, say bye to the vlog.
Bye bye.